Assignment operators are pretty much the most common operators. An assignment operator assigns the value on the right to the operand on its left. Okay? So equal to is a simple assign operator. It assigns values from the right side operands to the left side operand. Plus and equal is an add and assignment operator. It adds the right operand to the left operand and assigns the result to the left operand. Minus and equal are subtraction and assignment operators. So it subtracts the right operand from the left operand and then assigns the result to the left operand. Asterisk and equal is a multiply and assignment operator. So it multiplies the right operand with the left operand and then assigns the result to the left operand. The forward slash and the equal is a divide and assignment operator. So it divides the left operand with the right operand and then assigns the result to the left operand. And that leaves us with the percent and equal. Now, it's a modulus and assignment operator. So it takes modulus using two operands and then assigns the result to the left operand. So I think that'll become clear with a few examples. So let's do up some examples with assignment operators. So go back to the exercise project and right-click on the operator package and then select New, Class. Specify the class name as assignment operator and then select the checkbox for the main method. Okay, so let's start to code. We're going to declare here three variables with the int type. So first, x and assign 20. Second, y and assign 15. And then last, z with initial value 0. Now let's assign x plus y to variable z. I know, some of you guys say z, but I say z. So this is a simple assignment operator. So let's print the result by using our print method. And we may run the program after all the operations. Now let's copy the code and change the code with z plus equals x. So now this is an add and assignment operator. It's the same as z equals z plus x. And now let's change the code with z plus equals x in the print method. Let's copy the code and change the code with z minus equals x. And then this is a subtract and assignment operator. So it's the same as z equals z minus x. Now we can change the code with z minus equals x in the print method. So let's copy the code again and change the code with z asterisk equals x. And now we have the multiply and assignment operator, which is the same as z equals z multiply x. And now we can change the code with z asterisk equals x in the print method. Now we'll copy the code again and change the code with z divide equals x. And now we have a divide and assignment operator. So it's the same as z equals z divide x. Now we can change the code with z divide equals x in the print method. Now let's copy the code and change the code with z percent and equals x. So now this is the modulus and assignment operator, and it's the same as z equals z percent x. Now we can change the code with z percent and equals x in the print method. Okay, so that's it. So let's run the code And you can see what happens right here in the console. X plus y equals 35, so the value of z is 35. The value of x is 20, and z equals z plus x equals 55. Z equals z minus x is 35. Z equals z multiply x is 700. Z equals z divided by x is 35. Z equals z percent x is 15. And that means that the remainder is 15. Good job.